Gentlemen, good morning. We are gathered here today at the historic Liberty Shrine, a landmark that serves as a permanent reminder that our land is protected by those who possess the courage to stand their ground. It was only a few days ago, last April 27, when we commemorated the 505th victory at Mactan, honoring the bravery of Datu Lapu-Lapu and his men who stood firm against foreign intervention to defend our sovereignty. Today, we draw inspiration from that same spirit of heroism as we prepare to fulfill our duties as a nation. The Philippines takes immense pride in hosting the 48th ASEAN Leaders Summit and related meetings. While this is a national undertaking, Lapu-Lapu City is honored to serve as the venue for the summit's most critical activities. As we welcome the leaders of Southeast Asia to our historic city, we recognize that the weight of this international engagement rests upon the security framework we have established. The eyes of the region are upon us, and the success of this summit is inseparable from the safety and order you are sworn to uphold. Your mission is vital. You are tasked with ensuring that every route is clear, every venue is protected, and every delegate remains secure. This duty requires a high level of vigilance and the precise execution of our emergency preparedness and response plans. To our troops, we place our full trust in your capabilities. We recognize the discipline required to maintain the peace and the sacrifices you make to be the first line of defense. The Lapu-Lapu City government stands in total support of your operations, ensuring that the coordination between our local units and your national task remains seamless. As you deploy to your respective posts, carry the spirit of service and excellence that defines our nation. May your dedication ensure a peaceful, organized, and historic summit for all. Daghang salamat and welcome to the historic city of Lapu-Lapu.